Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Maya back with another daggone video, man. I'm just loving this, man. I ain't got no beard right now. It's less maintenance. That's why I had to cut the beard. It's less maintenance, bro. When you have a beard, it's a lot of maintenance. And you saw how plush my beard was. It's a lot of maintenance, really long, really thick, you know. So, but besides all that, y'all need to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, hit this like, and go ahead and share this video, man. Because when I hit 3K for the day, 3K, I'm giving away something. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. But before I do and tell y'all about this giveaway, I'm holding the camera like Street Speed 717 right now. Ooh, look at them bees. Oh Lord, I need to get them right here. I don't like that. Hope I don't mess them up. I'm a little scared to start the car. Let me go ahead and start up Black Beauty. I gotta get her clean too. Woo! Subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir. All right, so I got. Oh, I ain't got no gas. See, it turned off. I had no gas, y'all. I know I had to go get something, and that's what I had to get. But let me go ahead, let me turn this camera around. So what I'm gonna be giving away, y'all, it's gonna be for my 300 lovers. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do a live stream. It might be on YouTube, but I think it's gonna be on my Instagram. I'm gonna do a live stream on my Instagram, right? And the first person that answers a few questions, or maybe it's probably gonna be one question. We're gonna figure this out. And if y'all follow me on my live stream, when I hit 3K subscribers, I will let y'all know all the information of what you have to do to win this. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going to my boy at East Coast Hydrographic. Okay, that's East Coast Hydrographic. All right, and I'm gonna be picking out some type of design, or well, you will be picking out some type of design for this. So if you win, you'll win my old Chrysler symbol, and you can either get it like this if you like it, or you can get it hydro dipped, any type of design that you want, and I will be paying for it. Okay, all right, East Coast hydro dip. Y'all see it all work. You see they do this. Not them right here. This not them. All right, this East Coast. I like carbon fiber, so they do my carbon fiber, you know. You see, they do my carbon fiber, you know. Let me show you what my other carbon fiber is at. And they also did my rear valence. Yes, sir. They also did that. And they did some, oh yeah. And so it's gonna be this. So it's gonna be the Chrysler 300. You can get a hydro dip, any color, any style that you want for your car. If you have a 300, so this is for all the 300 people that have the 300. All right, it's gonna be this, or make sure it's right. It's gonna be this is actually the carbon fiber 300. That, and it's an orange carbon fiber S. All right, so if you want this to be changed differently, you win that. So it's gonna be two separate ones, okay? So you can either win, the first place will win Chrysler, the second place will win 300 with the S. So I think that's a cool giveaway for 3K subscribers, 300K. So I'm all messed up here. Trying to get back in the swing and doing like talking on this thing. So and they making all this noise in the back. I mean, they doing their job, but man, it's like pop, 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 ta, 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 ta. I'm like, dang, I can't even think straight with a child doing that. But they gotta do their job, and I gotta do my job. So when I hit 3K, whoop, almost bust my that step almost took me out, y'all. Step on, and it kinda had the flops on too. I got the Reebok with the Nikes on, okay? But when I hit 3K subs, which is soon, I think I'm probably like 50 subscribers away. So it's gonna be soon, y'all. I'm gonna do this live stream, I'm gonna do this giveaway. The first place, I'll keep in contact with you. Y'all give me y'all Instagram, y'all give me y'all number and stuff like that. And y'all tell me what y'all want on the Chrysler sign. And then yeah, I get it done for y'all, you know. That's just something I wanna do for my 300 gang supporters, and also my 300 gang subscribers, you know. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, man. This is not gonna be a long video. I just wanted to tell y'all what I was gonna do with this, and I'm about to go make another video right now in the same day. Gotta keep hustling, man, you know. So about to go get her washed too, because she is dirty. Y'all probably can't see it, but she got a little water spots. I think it rained a little bit last night, so we gonna have to take care of that, get her nice and shining, man, because she need to be shining when she rolling on the road, you know. Yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. It should be tomorrow. I don't know. It's gonna be the next day. We'll figure it out. And so it all depends on how long it takes me to edit the video, you know. I always try to get stuff done fast, but I always try to have the best quality and the best things. I really don't try to edit out too much, but if the video is too long, I try to edit out, you know, some of the best parts, some of the funny parts I feel like is good for me. But yeah, 300 gang. We got some stuff coming out. And should I do like who plays PS4 or Xbox or something like that? Maybe I should do like that type of giveaway, like a gift card type PS4 and Xbox, or PlayStation or Xbox, you know, because I think it's PS5 right now. I ain't got that. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.